Alright y'all, today's bike ride isn't just about e-bikes. It's about sneaking off to find a hidden pond, wet a line, and hopefully not end up in the water myself. Stick around, because not only did we catch some bass, but I'll show you how tying your own jigs makes the whole trip a lot more fun. This e-bike really is the ultimate fishing partner. Doesn't complain, doesn't eat all of my snacks, and it carries all my gear. Well, the tiny bit I actually brought today. I packed a collapsible fishing pole and a small tackle box that should probably count as maybe a big Tic Tac container. And then a few jigs that I tied myself. Alright guys, here we are. We found the pond. Now here's the deal. Some people bring a bass boat, fish finders, live wells, you name it. Me, I brought an e-bike, a bank, and a little box of homemade jigs. Let's see what happens. So I think we're done clowning around now. Tied on another jig, first cast, no camera on, and lost the whole rig. I had 2 jigs on there. So like I say, maybe done clowning around, but I can't promise you nothing. Let's see what happens this time. I mean, he hammered it and jerked both jigs off. This is a bigger fish. Last time I took you guys out here, caught a couple of dings. There we go. There we go. Nice little bass. Nice little bass. Look at this bass. That is what we're looking for. Oh yeah, that's a decent bass right there. On a jig I tied at home. Oh, he's healthy. A jig, a nice fish. He's a beautiful fish. Thank you, Mr. Fish. Now you know why that's one of my favorite fall colors. Well, that was an awful cast. Look at this. You've got to be kidding me. Look at this, guys. Miscast. Threw it right in the water. Look at this beautiful guy. That is not the same fish that we just threw in. He's half the size. Look at that. Beautiful fish. You know what they say, give a man a fish and he'll eat for a day. Teach a man to tie his own jigs and he'll spend all his grocery money at the fly shop. There we go. Got a small one. Let's suck that one. Powerful. That. Nice fish. Another really nice bass. They're beautiful. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Sometimes it's a fish, sometimes it's a tree. Either way, I'm still catching something. Quick plug here, after tying these jigs, I hang them on the little jig drying holder that we've been working on. It keeps them organized, looking sharp. We're making and selling these now, so check out the link below if you'd like to get your own fly tying, jig drying rack. Alright, so guys, as we wrap this up, 3 bass on hand-tied jigs, on gear that fits in a backpack, powered by 2 wheels and some battery juice. It doesn't get much better than that. If you want to learn more on how to tie your own jigs, make sure you check out the Tackle Shop Tuesday videos. I'll put a link up here so that you can get to them real easy. And if you want, grab one of our fly tying jig drying racks in the link in the description. Thanks for riding and fishing along with us today. Hit that like button. And if you drop a comment below, tell me your funniest fishing fail. I've got plenty, so don't be shy. We are on our way to 10,000 subscribers. I hope you all have a blessed week. And let's get outside and make something happen.